Dear friends, in this video we are going to discuss about spirituality, introduction to yoga and meditation for professional excellence and stress management. In day-to-day life, people are coming across different types of stresses, how to overcome those stresses and other things we are going to discuss in this video. To overcome from the stresses, we are going to have two options. One is spirituality, another one is yoga and meditation. If you properly do yoga, meditation, and practice the spirituality, we will easily come out from the stress. So that is called stress management. So spirituality, it refers to religious process of reformation to recover the original shape of man, oriented at the image of God. But in modern times, the emphasis is on subjective experience of a sacred dimension and deepest values and meanings by which people live. There is no single widely agreed definition for spirituality. It is a way of living that emphasizes the constant awareness and recognition of the spiritual dimension, that is, mind and its development. It includes creativity, communication, recognition of the individual as a human being, respect to others, acceptance, vision, that is, looking beyond the obvious and not believing anyone blindly, and partnership. If you talk about the creativity regarding the spirituality, it means conscious efforts to see things differently. When we see the things differently, that is called creativity. To break the habits of outdated beliefs, that is a very important aspect of spirituality. It is a general definition for the spirituality. In workplace, how we can follow the spirituality? By verbally respecting the individuals as humans and recognize their values. Get to know the people with whom you work. State your personal ethics and beliefs clearly. Support causes outside the business. Encourage leaders to use value-based discretion. So these are the some ways and methods to practice spirituality in the workplace. By keeping on practicing the spirituality, we will easily sense the engineering ethics by means of area of inquiry. When we speak ethical problems, issues and controversies, we mean to distinguish them from non-moral problems. In such situations, to identify morally correct things, the spirituality may help us. Another way of stress management in professional ethics is yoga and meditation. It is the excellent way of bringing out stress from our body. It will help us mentally and physically to maintain a healthy environment. Yoga, which was developed in India in ancient tradition, bring it together physical and emotional, mental and spiritual aspects of our well-being. Essentially, yoga means union, union within yourself, union within the divine spirit, within the harmony between you and all that is within your world. Meditation is a practice in which an individual trains the mind or induces a mode of consciousness either to realize some benefit. Meditation seeks to intentionally remove the distraction of the external world to let us observe what our mind will naturally produce on its own, allowing us to gain deeper understanding of our own thought process. It produces a deep state of relaxation and eases many health concerns such as high blood pressure, depression and anxiety by repeating mantra and closing the eye. Yoga and meditation together helps an individual to achieve professional excellence and manage stress because of the work pressure and other factors in the organization. Mental health problems such as depression, anxiety, stress are the most common reasons that lack individuals from performing their best. Morals are the rules that govern which actions are right and which actions are wrong. Values are beliefs and principles that guide a person's actions and decisions. So values and morals we have to keep so that we will shine in our professional life by utilizing spirituality, yoga and meditation. I hope this video will throw light on professional excellence by following spirituality, yoga and meditation. Thank you.